Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your flashlight flash for notifications on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down and you are going to select accessibility. After selecting accessibility, you are going to scroll down and from here you are going to tap on audio/visual. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and you will see LED flash for alerts. You're going to tap on that and you're going to toggle it on. And you can also select whether you would like it to flash while on lock and flash in silent mode. You can turn on both of those, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.